Hello, students. Today we will start our second unit of Standard 8. And first chapter is there, that 2.1 vocation. So, in that, warming up part is there, so that we will see. So, what is the meaning of vocation? Vocation means occupation or profession. So, we see many human beings are having different kinds of occasion or profession. So, what is the first question? You just see, pick out words that refer to means of living and fill them in the web. So, means of living means this is the occasion or profession, means while living our life, that things are being with us or we are living in that is called means of living. Okay, so we just have to find out the things which are means of living, and we have to write down here. Many things are there: profession, recreation, occupation, job, pastime, employment, hobby, career, entertainment, mission, trade, business, sports, retirement, or placements. So from this, some things are there that describes the innocent wishes of a human for a freedom of the from the rules of daily life. So in this poem, also in vocation poem, in this poem by Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore, it describes the innocent wishes of a young boy who yearns for freedom from the rules of daily life. So how you will find out the means of living from these things? So which things are daily there in our life? Profession is there. If it is there, you just write down in daily routine. Recreation, occupation, job. So like that you just find out, means in which means we are living daily or our daily life. So that you have to find out and you have to write down here. So second question is there, using a good dictionary, find the shades of difference in the following. So before going on that questions, I will tell you, we will discuss the first question again. So I will tell you the answers. You just note down over there. So profession is also our means of life. Recreation is not there. Occupation also means of life. Job also means of life. Then pastime is not there. Employment is also our means of life. Hobby, daily hobby, we are not means we are not working for hobby daily. Career is there of means of life. Entertainment is not there. Mission is there. Trade is there. Business also means of living. Sport is not there. Retirement, daily we are not getting retirement, so that is not the means of living. And placement also is not there. So only few things are there that I will read again: profession, occupation, job, vocation, sorry, career, mission, trade, and business. So these are the means of living. Just write down there. Question 2 is there. Find the shades of difference in the following. So what is the difference in profession, vocation, business, and occupation? So that we have to write here. So first of all, we'll see profession. So profession refers to a paid occupation, especially one that involves prolonged training or a formal qualification, that is called profession. म्हणजे काय तर त्यामध्ये आपल्याला सॅलरी भेटत असते, दॅट इज कॉल्ड प्रोफेशन. आणि त्यासाठी एक क्वालिफिकेशन हवं असतं, ट्रेनिंग्स वगैरे असतं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड Profession. So profession refers to a paid occupation, especially one that involves prolonged training and formal qualification. Now second one is there vocation. Vocation means refers to an occupation for which a person is specially drawn or suited. That is called vocation. Vocation means refer to an occupation for which a person is specially drawn or suited. म्हणजे काय तर ते जे स्किल आहे ते ऑलरेडी त्या पर्सनमध्ये असतं आणि ती व्यक्ती त्याचा एक व्यवसाय म्हणून किंवा एक त्याचं काम म्हणून ती व्यक्ती ते करत असते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड वोकेशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कुंभार आहे, तर कुंभार हा मडके बनवत असतो. सो दॅट इज द स्किल ऑफ दॅट पर्सन. Number 3 is their business. Refers to the activity of buying or selling goods or services. That is called business. A commercial activity done by a person at his own risk. म्हणजे काय तर वस्तू खरेदी करणे आणि विकणे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड बिझनेस. पण हे त्याच्या रिस्कवरती. कधी कधी काय होतं की अशा वस्तू विकत घेऊन आपण म्हणजे खरेदी करतो आणि विकण्यासाठी जर तेवढ्या पुरेशा कालावधीत जर त्या विकले गेल्या नाही तर ते खराब होऊन जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल भाजीपाला आहे, त्या घेणार पण तेवढ्या ठराविक वेळेमध्ये जोपर्यंत भाजीपाला खराब होत नाही तेवढा जर तो विकला गेला तर प्रॉफिट आहे. पण जर तो भाजीपाला खराब झाला सो दॅट इज हिज ओन रिस्क. ओके. अँड नंबर 4 इज दर ऑक्युपेशन. ऑक्युपेशन मीन्स refers to a person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning a living. That is called occupation. काही व्यक्ती काम करत असतात. आता हे फुगेवाले किंवा आपण जत्रेमध्ये जातो बरेचसे व्यक्ती त्यांचा स्वतःचा बिझनेस करत असतात. का तर जगायचं आहे आणि जगण्यासाठी खूप काही गोष्टींची आवश्यकता असते. मग त्या गोष्टी मिळवण्यासाठी त्यांना एक ठराविक स्किल डेव्हलप करून किंवा काहीतरी काम करून त्यांना जगण्याचा मार्ग हा शोधायचा असतो. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्युपेशन. ओके. So these things are we explain here. If you want a few more information, you just go on net or you just find out in a dictionary also. Already in question they told us using a dictionary, using a good dictionary, find the shades of different in the following. So you just find out the different shades of this part. Number 3 is there. When a word is formed from a sound associated with it, it is called an onomatopoetic word. So this is one type of figure of speech. Okay. So words are there and that kind of word is onomatopoetic word. So for example, bang, tap, tinkle, crash, whistle, etc. So these words are onomatopoetic word. If an onomatopoetic word occurs in the lines of a poem, the figure of speech in that line is onomatopoeia. जर हे असे वर्ड जर पोएम्समध्ये असेल, आपण जी कविता बघणार आहोत वोकेशन, त्या कवितेमध्ये असे वर्ड्स आहेत आणि जर त्या लाईन्समध्ये किंवा त्या कवितेमध्ये जर हे असे वर्ड्स असेल तर त्या कवितेचं जो फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे तो काय आहे? पोइया. Onomatopoeia. Write down 8 to 10 onomatopoetic words in your own. So I will tell you these words. These words are, for example, buzz, whoosh, clang, chirp, clap, howl, hiss, grunt, purr, quack. So these are the onomatopoetic words. So you just write down these 3 questions. You have to write down in your notebook for as an activity. Okay. And here our lecture is over. Have a nice day. Take care.